Yeah. Hello guys. I am Ramesh, finance professional. See, I wanted to tell about one problem. So, how to give the solution to that problem? So, what is the problem? First of all, I am telling you what is the problem. Problem is, suppose let's see. Let's take three companies. So, company X, company Y, and company Z. So, company X has given some cost. Like for example, in one particular month, some of the costs are given, but it is not given frequently. Like line by line, it is not given. It randomly given. So one of the client, one of the mediator given. So company X details, company Y details, company Z details, randomly given. So he wants what is the total cost incurred in that one particular month. So I given some suggestion like you can apply filter option. There you can find out. So if you applied filter, there what the company X details, company X comes, and what are the cost incurred, then you easily find out. But that suggestion is not good because that is not showing a immediate figure. Another step also you need to follow, like you need to select all figures and then show in right corner of the Excel there some amount. So filter option is not suitable. So then what is the function will it used? So SUMIFS only if only one criteria, but here more than one criteria involved. In such case, SUMIFS is not suitable. In such case, SUMIFS function, formula function, it will be useful. Okay, see how it is going. Let's take one example. See here, client. So company X has given 5,40,000 in 1 month, first month. Company Y cost second month. Company Z incurred some cost third month. So for let's take 5,40,000 is administration cost. Company X also given 4,522. This is another cost like selling and distribution cost. So company X has given some other cost 45,223 like that. Okay. So here client, so mediator wants company X has incurred some cost. So what is the cost? How much is the cost? Company Y also incurred some other cost. So company Y incurred in second month. How much is the cost they want? Okay, how it is going to given? See, criteria 1. What is the criteria? Criteria 1. Company X is the first criteria. Okay, company X is the first criteria. So company X, company Y, company Z. These are all things. Okay. See how it is giving the answer. So criteria 2. What is the criteria? Month is the criteria. So criteria 2. What is the criteria here? Month is the criteria. So here what is the answer? What the client wants? Client wants cost in first month. How much is the cost? Cost is the answer. So that's the answer we need to give. Okay. So see SUMIFS how it is working. So here SUMIFS some range. So here Excel asking us what is the asking? Some range. What do you want? I want cost. So that is the range, some range. What is the answer you want? What is the cost incurred by company X in first month? So what is the sum range here? This is Excel wants, what do you want? Excel sum range. Okay, given. Next Excel asking, what it asking? Criteria range 1. What is the first criteria? I want client details given here. Here client details given. Okay. So in this is the range. In this range, I want company X sum range. So that is the first criteria. And another thing I am giving, see, Excel asking, is there any criteria range 2? Excel asking, yes, I am. Yes, what is the range? So in one particular month, how much is the cost incurred by company X? So in one particular month, month is the criteria 2. This is the criteria. This is the criteria range. So in this range, I want in first month. This is the criteria. See, first of all, select now. I need to select. I need to select this one. Okay, next comma criteria. First this one, this is the criteria I want. So close the open bracket, then hit on enter, then you got amount. So put commas. Okay, 14,40,454. So apply this formula to remaining two things. So you got company Y in second month incurred 1,22,40,808. Company Z has incurred in third month 9,36,002 is the cost. Okay, so this is the answer. Yeah, see, just cross check the answer. Cost, this is the cost. Okay, see, yeah, let's compare. Okay, let's apply filter. See, company X cost. So if you select these all things, then you right corner here, amount is showing how much? 14,40,454. So next thing, if company Y, so what is the cost? 1,22,35,252. So I think this one you need to select, na? It is not selected. Now you select. So total you select. So 1,22,40,808. So next, company Z. So what is the cost? 9,36,002. See, so correct now? 9,36,000. But in filter, you need to, first of all, you need to select company X, and then company Y, and then company Z. So this is the long process. It takes some more time, na? But in case SUMIFS function, if you use, it is within less time you can find out the answer. You can get the answer. Okay, I hope you understood. All right. See. Okay. So in case pivot table, apply pivot table. What is happening? Let's see. Here pivot table is not working. I hope you understood SUMIFS function. Okay. Thank you.